I have two microphones here, and I'll give away one of them. I think this one. It's from Maono. It's the Maono gaming USB microphone with noise cancelling DM30. So that's the model. It's DM20 and it's RGB. It has this base and this mounting option, and it also has a pop filter. Okay, so this is what it will look like on your desk setup. Okay, I'm gonna give this away. It has three colors, white, pink, and black. Okay, so that's the components. Okay, model DM20, it says here. Okay, stay tuned for the instructions on how to win this. I think it's really good for gamers or streamers, but I'm not gonna review this. I'll just give it away. Stay tuned. Within the video, I'll give the instructions on how you could win this. I'll review this one. This is Maono's newest microphone. It's a USB/XLR podcast dynamic microphone. It's the model PD200X. I think the best thing about this, it's being controlled, or you can control it on your desktop using Maono Link. So here are the features. It has a shock mount, so it's practically anti-shock. It's anti-pop as well because of the design. It has a foam in front. It's USB-C, again USB-C and XLR connectivity. We'll both try this out. It has 2-in-1 digital knob, programmable RGB, and 1 key mute button. Okay, other side, the box. Okay, so that's what it would look like on your setup. The back. Okay, practically this outer layer is a sleeve, just like that. Ooh, premium. Has the has the Maono branding. Nothing else. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, let's put that away, and some paperwork. A user manual. Let's take this out. Okay, that's pretty long USB-C cable. Actually, this USB-C cable is actually convertible. Okay, it's the USB directly plugged at the back of the microphone, this one. And this one, you could plug it in to your laptop, maybe even your cell phone. And this one is for your PC. Okay, I might be wrong, but I researched how you pronounce this brand. How we should pronounce. It shouldn't be Maono, because Maono is an English pronunciation of it. I think it should be properly pronounced as Maono or Manu, because it's from Kiswahili. It means vision. As I've said in my past video about this one, this mic, the PD100U. Now, I'm talking about the PD200X. Here, that's the model name. PD200X. And it looks very cool. Okay, so let's move on. Let's continue. So here's what's left in the box. Okay, so this is a converter for the mount, for mounting options, and nothing else but the microphone itself. Okay, nothing else in the box. Okay, here's the microphone. Looks pretty good, right? It has a shock mount. I don't think you can mount this any way other than this one, other than the shock mounting option. And I want you to see this. This is removable. So you can see the capsule inside. There's a capsule inside there. That's the one that's picking up your voice when you're talking or any sound. And it's quite a distance from the foam. We can get rid of the plosives. Here is the mount. This one. This size is for the mic stands or some bigger mounting options. That's why an adapter is needed or provided if you want to use it. For example, this one, this boom arm. If you want to use this here, you'll need that adapter. Moving on, this is the XLR input. And this is where you could monitor real-time monitoring of your voice. This is the RGB control, RGB button, and the USB Type-C. So basically, we have two options here to connect to your PC or to anything. First is the USB-C, and the second one is the XLR input. So a lot of mics for podcasts use this XLR input because they use an audio interface. For example, I have this Focusrite here, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 Gen 3, I think. Yeah, it's Gen 3. It's powered USB Type-C as well. We'll be using this one, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, to test the XLR capabilities of the Maono or ʻmɑnoʊ. I need to get used to this. ʻmɑnoʊ. Okay, it's Swahili. It's ʻmɑnoʊ. Now, as you can see in my screen, we have here the software that is used to control or to enhance this microphone. Now, here's what I like best about this microphone and the software that came with it. See this? It's the mic monitoring. When you plug in earphones or headphones in here to monitor your voice or the input, you can turn it on or off without affecting the main headphone volume. For example, you're listening to music, or for us gamers, Discord. While we're using Discord, we can hear ourselves while turning this on, and we can hear the other players talking through this headphone volume. So when I turn off my mic monitoring, I can only hear them, and I won't hear my voice anymore. Other microphones out there that have monitoring, you cannot turn off real-time monitoring. But with the Maono PD200X, you have a lot of options. Now, as you've noticed, I'm in the deep tone option here. Now, let me try the original. Pizza Pie. The Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. That's the original. This is the natural. So the quick brown fox. Actually, this should not be used because it's for text. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog should be in text form, not in audio form. But I'm gonna say it anyway, okay? Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, how about legacy? Pizza pie. Pizza pie. Snake skin. Snake skin. Okay, let's go back to deep. Okay, as you can see, this has an RGB light ring here. You can adjust the brightness like so. Do you see it? You can adjust it. See? You can turn it off. Actually, if you're from the brightest mode, you can turn it off right here. There's a button. It still works. You can still record. You can still use the mic even without the RGB if you don't like RGB. And you have other color options. See? Okay. That's what I like best when using this software. And if you don't like to use the software, here's the controls. Down here, there's a button for RGB controls. If I press this, it changes the color and the color mode. Hold on, let me see. Okay, this is the button. Okay. Okay, see? It changes the color. Okay, do you see it? You can also notice that in the software, see this arrow, see this indicator? It's changing when you press this. Look at this. Okay, I'm not gonna press anything except this one. It's gonna change the cycle. Okay, so it's really very intuitive. Look at this. Look at this one. This is a 2-in-1 knob. Okay, so when you press it and it's that color, it's bluish color, it's for the headphone volume. Okay, see, can you see it in the software? The headphone volume moves when you turn the knob, and if you press it again, it's green. It's for the gain. Okay, for the mic gain. Do you see that? Okay, now here's the mute button. Okay, see? Okay, you can't hear me, right? And you can also see in the software that it turns off. See? Okay, I'm not pressing anything. Okay, it's really connected. The two of them, it's really connected. Okay, but you can control it while, like, for example, you're deep in game and you're using the microphone to talk to your playmates in Discord or something like that. You could use the software to control anything and everything. Now, this is the standard mode. What I showed you was a standard mode. Now, this is the advanced mode. They have this option as well. Okay, it's a deeper dive into the settings. Okay, again, it's the same. You could adjust the gain here. Okay, you could adjust the headphone volume. But now you have this equalizer. It has the standard one. It has the high pass filter. See, it's called the flat. Can you read that? It's flat. This is the high pass filter. Can you hear the difference? Now, the next one is presence boost. I don't know if there's a difference in my voice right now, if you could hear the difference in my voice. Next is the high pass filter with presence boost. Okay, let me bring this back to the flat one. Okay, I like it flat, but I don't know. You tell me in the comment section what's the best EQ option. Now we have the option to use a limiter and a compressor. I'm not gonna go deeper with what is a limiter and what is a compressor because it's gonna take us hours here to really dive deep into the details of each mixing option. Okay, but you can use it. You can play with it. This time, as you can see, there is no light. There is no light here or anywhere. No RGB. It's because we are using an XLR connection, okay? It's connected, currently connected to my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. See, every time you hear me talking, you can see it lights up here. And this one is an indicator that it's connected via USB. Okay, so here's the voice. There are no enhancements. Okay, I am not using a software as of the moment because I want it flat so that you could differentiate or could compare the quality of voice when using an XLR connection like this one. Like for the podcasting, most podcasters are using XLR these days. So you could actually use this microphone in both settings. Okay, you could do podcasts with your friends. Like if you connect it to a mixer, or in my case, this Focusrite, you could do podcasts together with other people using this microphone. Or if you don't have an audio interface like this one, like the Focusrite, you can use the USB connection for this microphone. Okay, at least you have options here. But if you're using an XLR connection like this, like we're currently doing right now, you can't use the software. The software that I shown you before, I shown you earlier, that software, the Maonoʊ, you can't use that. But well, you can use the audio interfaces software if it has one. Okay, now, if you've noticed, the light is on again. We're using the USB mode again, using the USB Type-C. Going back to our giveaway, which is this one. All you have to do to win this is like this video, subscribe to Maono's YouTube channel, and write it in the comments section. What color would you like to have? Okay, so we have three options: white, pink, and black. So 3 color options. You write it in the comment section and I'll send it to you personally. Okay, I have lots of microphones here, so I'll send this one to you if you're the lucky winner. Again, like this video. It's very important that you like this video, subscribe to Maono's YouTube channel, and you write it in the comment section the color of your choice. Okay, links for both microphones, the DM30, this one, and this one, the PD200X, will be both in the description below. Okay, if you want to check it out. This was Maono's first microphone that they sent me, the PD100U. It's all USB. Now we have this one. I think this will be my mainstay. I'm gonna use this frequently from now on because I have the software. I mean, anybody can have the software, but if the microphone isn't compatible to that software, the Maonoʊ wouldn't recognize that microphone, and therefore you can't use it. But this one, as you've seen earlier, we utilized everything. Thanks so much, Manu, for sending this to me. And if you guys want more details, I'm gonna put the landing page in the description with the links in the description, okay? If you guys want to check out more of their products, I'm gonna put links in the description as well. And I guess this is it. Peace out.